In 2019, the Federal Communications Commission allowed the major telecommunication companies to eliminate copper phone lines in the U.S. This means that POTS lines are being eliminated, and thus leased lines will eventually be eliminated. What's the solution? At TC Communications, we are at the forefront of transitioning users from existing copper lease lines to a modern alternative. We are the first people called when a user needs to make a change, whether the telco is discontinuing a line or when the price of lines increases. Aside from the technology, some agencies may not be aware of how many lease lines they have. There is an easy three-step method that, in most cases, results in significant cost savings. Step 1. Audit. When working with users, we have found that typically 30% of the installed lease lines are not being used. The process of auditing what you have and determining what is not being used saves an average of 30% simply by canceling the unused service. Step 2. Contact TC Communications. Talk to TC Communications about the remaining lines. We can show you how to move your lease lines onto a modern network. Step 3. Install a TC Communications solution. By doing this, we will introduce our state-of-the-art TC Communications devices, and we think you'll find that your updated lines will pay for themselves in 6 to 8 months from the savings.
I think, again, this is huge. This is where we should focus. We didn't change anything on the network. Nothing. We took your product, we put it in place, we connected it, and it worked.
At TC Communications, we want to work with our customers not only to provide the best technical solution, but also innovative commercial solutions that provide the best customer outcome. Feel free to get in touch with us by visiting tccomm.com and click on Contact Us in the top right-hand corner. Also, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.